Welcome back, everyone. So today we are doing a collab. So I got this package from Doris Ford. It says breakfast donuts, and then she had to go and write no on it because there's no donuts, none inside this box. Aww. Thank you so much for doing this. I'm so excited to see what it transforms into. Doris. Let me get this box out of the way and this stuff out of the box. I'll be right back. Alright, so I can already see the colors on this one. So a while ago, Doris asked me about the strainer, modified strainer that I did, and I let her know what I did, and so she decided to try it with resin, and I'll link that video of hers down below if you guys want to go check it out. And if you're not sure who Doris Ford is, again, her video is down below. Go check out her stuff, go check out her channel, subscribe. Another amazing YouTuber. She's on this mission to try resin pours using acrylic pour techniques. So it's pretty cool. Lots of plastic wrap. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it out of the plastic wrap and everything, and here it is. So many cool layers to it. Absolutely love it. When she did it, I immediately saw something in the image. I'm not going to give it away quite yet, but I jumped on the opportunity to ask her if she wanted to do a collab, and I can embellish it. I don't want to lose too much of the image that we have here, so we're going to keep it simple. We're going to be using the PBO markers that we talked about, the oil-based ones, and the other one we are using is going to be Crink. But that's the first one. That's what the main one that we're going to be starting with. Now for the second. A lot more plastic wrap. I'll be right back. Love it. That is so pretty. Oh, and then there's the glitter. Look at that, guys. Let me see if I can get any closer for you guys to see. Oh, I love it. Now my first reaction, because she wants me to embellish this one as well. My first reaction, of course, floral. But I kind of want to make it into a betafish. I just think it'd be so cute as a little betafish. It's so pretty. Doris. What silver is that one? I'm gonna have to find this if this is a video, and link it down below so you guys can see this one being made as well. Doesn't that just look like bubbles? Little bubbles inside water. Make it like a little beta fish right here. That's gonna be fun. Okay, this one all ready. So playing with those classic modern minimalist ideas and looking at paintings from Holland and France, especially France, I just see tulips. I'm gonna time-lapse this because we have two videos to go through, the tulip and then the beta fish. And I will see you guys at the end of the video. here we have it with the second one. Played around with some black and white line art on it. Absolutely love the colors. Didn't want to take away from the colors much, so I just chose to do a neutral black and white with it. And I love it. I hope Doris loves it too. If you're watching this, Doris, I made a betafish. I was thinking about adding gold or something to this one, but again, I wanted that red, that burgundy, to be like a statement, and I felt like if I added gold or copper anywhere, it would detract from it, so I held off on any other colors than black and white. And I love the play between the blues, the reds, the silvers, and the black and white. I'm going to come in and play with that French Holland tulip kind of modernistic vibe. So I went and I did exactly that. Kept with a very modern, simplistic style, and just made some tulips. A little abstract, but I think it turned out super fun. Love these colors. So again, if you guys haven't checked out Doris's page, the links for this video and the other video for her will be in the description below. Please go check out her site, check out other resin art that she has done. She's working on using resin, but doing acrylic paint pouring techniques with resin. And that's how this came about. She wanted to do a modified strainer in resin, and I let her know what I did, and she went ahead and ta-da, this came of it. We're like, oh my god, we should totally collab. But yeah, if you guys like this, please hit thumbs up, and if you're new, hit the subscribe button to see more stuff like this. If you guys have any other artists out there that you want to see a collab with, let me know in the comments below. I'll try to contact them to see if they want to do a collab. This was super fun working with Doris. Doris, if you're out there watching, thank you so much for this opportunity. I'll get these packed up as soon as they're a little more dry and cured. We're going to give it a day or so for all the paint pens to settle and cure. The two brands that I used today were PBO. You want to go for the 4 artists. It's going to be an oil based, and it dries with a gloss finish and very durable. And same with Crink. Crink is another one. It's alcohol oil based. It dries with a semi-gloss finish, and it again is a very durable. This one won from my #1 white paint pen out there, so of course I had to use it, and I love the results. First time going down, I didn't have to deal with any ghosting or anything. So thank you guys again for watching. You guys are amazing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!